Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see, I'm back in the room. Today we're gonna have another unboxing. This one is gonna be slightly different. I've been doing a lot of unboxings like apparel, caps and stuff like that. This is gonna be something different. Still high beast, but different. As you know, I have mentioned my truck before and I've told you guys how I want to include my truck more. So the build is gonna start. So I have this box right here from eBay. I have the knife again. Let me just make the cuts. And right here we have a, oh, something fell, I don't know what it was, but we have a third brake light that's gonna be put into the truck. I'm not gonna take off the film, protective film. This has it has like LED strip going like that. This is a sneak peek. Sorry, of my tail lights and my headlights that are going to be coming in soon. I will be doing a separate video on how to install this, and so that's the first item I have here. This one on eBay, it was not that expensive. It was like 30 bucks. I will be sealing it and then I will be installing it, just because I don't want anything bad to happen. I believe this one is plug and play. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a video by itself of installing this in the truck. So like we're gonna see together. And got another package here. This one is from Undefeated. On their last drop, they released like some car accessories, and like I saw this car accessory and I just knew I had to have it. This one wasn't expensive. This one was like under $20, like shipped. So yeah, like Undefeated. I don't own anything Undefeated. Like this is my first item. So Undefeated. It was actually, with shipping and everything, it was $22.64, and shipping is actually pretty good. Like they have it in this padded envelope UPS, and it's plastic, but it's this black and white Undefeated license plate cover. This is pretty like high beast, but honestly I like it, but like the material seems kind of like cheap, you know. Like we're gonna have to see really how this holds up. It just says Undefeated, has their logos, and it has the old 002-022. Like this is simple, but I do want to put like my streetwear and like the culture into the truck. So this is a good piece, and again it feels like flimsy, so like with the Texas heat, like we're gonna have to see how this holds up. So the last and final unboxing, this is from American Trucks. So I don't think I'll need the knife for this one, but aside, and this is nothing crazy, but they are Morimoto. These are Morimoto license plate lights, and I'm gonna like fully open them for you guys so you guys can see. This packaging is pretty nice. These actually came surprisingly fast, like 2 days maybe, like they were in. So like I said, standard Morimoto packaging. I've never ordered from them, but like I've seen them. So it tells you how to install them, which again I will be doing a video by itself on how to install them. These are plug and play. I know for a fact they have a black housing and LEDs. Morimoto, as for the car people, like you all know that Morimoto is like a pretty like respected brand. So these were like, they don't even come with a receipt or anything, but these were like $40, I want to say. $30-$40 on American Trucks. American Trucks, if you're seeing this, like, let's work something out. Let's get lights. Let's get all this situated. So yeah, like I was saying, the quality on these feel pretty good. I'm actually like, I want to see how bright they are. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on how to install these. So yeah, if you want to see like pictures of the build, if you want to follow the build, I will be linking my Instagram down below. My Instagram is more pictures of my life, which are gonna be like when I travel, fit pictures, shoot pictures, like accomplishments, going out, truck pictures, like the truck process. So I'll be linking down below. And as you guys know, my Instagram is RV714, and same as my YouTube. And that's pretty much gonna be concluded. Wrap it up. Thank you guys. Like I said, if you want to see any mods or any specific things you want to see me do to my truck, tell me down below, and I will try my best to get it done. And thank you guys for watching.